Welcome to this mini Spanish lesson with Sugar Astronaut. Let's learn something new about Spanish. If you want to watch the complete lesson, you can find a link to it in the video description down below. Excellent. Now let's look at the next meaning of the verb dejar. The next meaning is to put down, often interchangeable with poner. We're talking about something literal here. We're talking about putting something down somewhere. So you can use actually the verb dejar or the verb poner. Okay? Poner. Dejar, poner in this specific situation when you put something down. Let's look at an example when using dejar, when it means to put down. Deja el control remoto aquí. Deja el control remoto aquí. This means put the remote control here. So technically, someone is saying put the remote control somewhere. It could be on a table, it could be somewhere else, but essentially you're saying put that down over here. Okay, so let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. Deja, tú deja, that's a command. Okay, tú deja, you don't need to say tú when saying a command. And deja means put. El control, el means the. Control means control. Same spelling. Remoto means remote. Aquí, here. Okay, very easy. You can change this to pon, okay, which is the verb poner, the one I told you about that you can use instead of dejar. You can use either one, dejar or poner, to say to put something down. Pon el control remoto aquí means the same thing. Put the remote control here. So this one is another great basic meaning of the verb dejar. Excellent. Let's move on. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Wadi Bader, Formula Air JSC, Alan K, James Torma, Judy Baldock, Geraldo Sandoval, and also Log Tran. Muchas gracias.